Good day, sir, and good day to us all. I am Jan Patrick Edisan from previous IT5B and project manager and programmer of Group 7. The title of our Capstone project is PLMar Learning Management System.
Good day, sir. I am Heresa Eusebio from 3BS IT5B, technical writer of Group 7, and I will be presenting our Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is the introduction. The first part is the project context. We all know that technology has an essential role in our daily lives, especially ngayong meron tayong pandemic. Ang education ay gumagamit na rin ng technology para mas mapadali ang kanilang pagtuturo. And currently, we're using Facebook Group, Schoology, Google Classroom, Google Meet, at iba pang mga online platforms. Kaya naman naisipan namin gumawa ng unified platform which can do academic tasks like posting, answering tasks, and also it has an online video conferencing feature where professors and students can have a video call meeting. Next one is the purpose and description. Ang LMS na ginawa namin ay web application. Main purpose po namin dito sa study namin magkaroon ng LMS ang ating paaralan. Nag-list po kami dito ng 5 magbe-benefits sa aming ginawang system. First is the institution. Mas may improve pa ang pagtuturo ng mga professors. And then the next one is the student learners. Dito rin ay mas mapapa-improve and mas makakapag-focus na ang mga estudyante magsagot ng kanilang mga classworks and tasks given ng kanilang mga professors. Next one is the professors. Mas mapapadali rin ito sa kanilang pagtuturo at the same time sa pag-upload ng mga unit materials para sa kanilang mga estudyante. Next is the researcher. Mas may-enhance pa ang kanilang mga bawat isa sa pag-share ng thoughts and knowledge sa pagbuo ng isang project or ng isang system. And lastly, the future researcher. Pwede nila itong magamit na guide sa mga susunod pang project na kanilang ikakandak. At the same time, pwede pa nila itong dagdagan ng mga features na kung saan makakatulong sa mga estudyante. Next is our objectives. The main objective of our project is to have a unified platform po ng ating pamantasan. First is to develop a web application na ang pinrioritize po namin ang mga mobile users, and sa kasalukuyan ay napansin namin na ginagamit ng karamihan sa pag-attend ng online class. And letter A, para mabawasan din po yung difficulties ng mga estudyante sa pagsagot gamit ng iba't ibang platform. And letter B po, para hindi rin po mahirapan sa pag-attend ng kanilang online meetings. Letter C, para rin po mapadali ang pagtuturo ng mga professors at mapadali rin makapag-distribute ng kanilang mga learning materials. And lastly, para rin po malesen ang distractions habang gumagawa ng schoolworks at sa pagbabasa ng mga handouts. And lastly, ang last part po ng aming Chapter 1 ay ang scope and limitation. The scope of our system are only for announcement, posting learning materials, answering exams and quizzes, online meetings, and posting po ng mga grades ng estudyante. And the study also limited po sa ating pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Marikina and only for professors and students lang po. And ito po ay for learning purposes only and hindi po kasama ibang transactions like creating schedules, etc. And lastly, ang professor lang po ang may control sa pagmamanage ng class, subjects, and uploading po ng learning materials. That's all for our Chapter 1. Thank you.
So, good day, sir. I'm Cruz from 3BS IT5B, Quality Analyst, and I'm going to present our Chapter 2. And dito po sa Chapter 2 namin is, nag-collect po kami ng mga theories and literatures na alam namin makakatulong para sa research namin. And first is from Turnbull, nagsasabing malaking tulong daw po o significance kung ipagsasama ng ang e-learning and pag-offer ng mga course. Ayon naman kila Katowa is ang learning management system daw po is malaking tungkulin sa maayos at magandang pagtuturo o pag-aaral. Pangalawa is galing kina Falco and Johnson. Para sa kanila, naging global na talaga ang LMS sa mga estudyante at karamihan dito ay may college student. And yung mga learning management system daw po is ginagamit na talaga sa mga online class man or physical. And mas binigyan naman ng kahalagahan ng Department of Education and Training ang LMS at kinumpirma ito nila Tarindo, Adams, and William na nag-conduct ng jury kung saan natuklasan na ang bilang na mas dumarami na ang gumagamit itong learning management system. At kadalasan to ay ginagamit sa mga research methodology. And napag-usapan kung paano ito ginagamit ng mga professionals at future researchers. Dahil dito nalaman namin malaking tulong kung magkakaroon talaga ng sariling LMS ang PLMar. So ayon naman kina Wagner, lahat ng issues technically o mga activities at kung paano mag-control o i-manage to ay nakatala lahat sa LMS. Kaya naman pinag-isipan namin maigay kung ano yung mga dapat na nakalagay or hindi dapat nakalagay para sa LMS. Para naman kila Word at Fog, mas limitado ang oras kapag face-to-face, kaya LMS ay nakatulong para sa mga estudyante nagtatrabaho. And dito kami nagkaroon ng idea na pag-notice about professors and student yung mga gawain. And para sa synthesis naman po is, karamihan po sa mga theory na to is nakatulong po para sa aming ginawang learning management system. So ang pinaka-conclusion po nito is yung significance at yung importance ng LMS bilang sa bawat student, kundi pati na rin yung mga professionals like researcher and professors. And karamihan din sa mga literature na to is nagbibigay ng information na ang learning management system ay magagamit sa karaniwang pag-aaral and kung paano ito magagamit with advanced high-quality education experience. And yun lang po. Thank you po.
Good day, Sir Crisanto. I'm Christian Jan and Alonzo from 3BS IT 5B, and I'm the data analyst of our group. I'll be presenting Chapter 3. The content of Chapter 3 is System Development Requirements and System Deployment Requirements. Yung platform po na na-propose namin is a web application system. To develop our proposed system, which is web application system, the programming language that we use is HTML version 5 and CSS for our system interface and design. JavaScript to make an interaction on our system. PHP and MySQLi for the system database. First is System Development Requirement. The first content of System Development Requirement is hardware specification. First is Intel Core i3. System recommended processor to be able to run softwares that are needed in developing the system. Laptop PC should have the recommended specification. 8 GB RAM for PC laptop, 10 GB HDD storage for laptop PC for software installation, mobile phone for testing, 4 GB internal storage for phone storage, for phone software installation, 4 GB Android RAM for mobile phone, and the next one is software specification. First one is Windows 8 to 10 operating system for PC laptop, version 3.2.4 for connecting database into the web, Notepad or Notepad++ version 7.9.3 for creating interface design and interaction into the system, browser to test and see the result of system, Android version 6.0 which is Marshmallow for mobile phone operating system, and we use some software to test the system for downloading and uploading file, which is MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, and Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next is network specification. The recommended speed we use to develop the system, the Wi-Fi and mobile data internet connection should have a speed of 20 Mbps. Next is peopleware. To develop our system, the people we need is a web page developer that should have knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Database administration must have enough knowledge on PHP and using SAM and have skills in creating, planning, and designing database. Last one is programmer must have knowledge on programming language that the system needs to develop. The last one is hosting summary. The budget needed in order to develop the system is 15,000 for PC and laptop, 5,000 for mobile phone, and 1,700 for internet connection monthly. Next is system deployment requirement. Hardware specification. In order to use the system, we need a mobile phone and should have aspects of 4 GB internal storage for software installation and 4 GB mobile phone RAM to run the system. Next is software specification. To run the system, the mobile should have at least Android version 6.0 which is Marshmallow and install some software for opening downloaded file or uploaded file which is MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, and Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next is peopleware. The people that can use our system is only user which is student and employee that are knowledgeable in using web application and must have knowledge on technology. Next is network specification. In order to run our system, download, update, and upload files, the system requires 20 Mbps speed of internet connection in Wi-Fi and mobile data. And the last one is hosting summary. To use our system, we need a budget of 5,000 for mobile phone and 1,000 monthly for internet connection to run our system. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I am Jelaiza Kim S from 3BS IT 5B, the UI designer. I will discuss the chapter 4 methodology. Agile. Yung first po is yung planning. Dito po pinaplan or dinidiscuss na po yung mga data required for the system. Then second is the design phase. Dito po sinisimulan ng sketch or gawin yung wireframes and UI design. Third is the development phase. Where functions were needed to add it to the program done nakadepende po sa ginawang design. Then fourth po is the testing phase. To know if meron pong bugs sa design, flaws or error na possible pong mangyari pag ginamit ng users. Then lastly, the feedback po ng mga users users upang mas lalo pong mapa-improve yung system sa pagde-develop. And next po is the fishbone. Ito po yung mga nakapaloob po sa rectangle na nasa upper and lower. Ayan po yung factor na nagkakos ng problem sa kanan. Ito yung student, professors, distractions, and multiple learning. Then yung pinaka main problem po dyan is yung difficulties of using different learning platforms. Sa student naman po, ang nagkakos po is yung having a hard time answering classwork, not being notified on classwork, hassle of attending online classes. Nagiging factor po ang student dahil nagkakaroon rin po ng struggle sa pagsasagot ng mga classwork because of having many platforms po nga and hindi po agad nanonood. Sa distraction po, irrelevant notifications. Tapos sa professors po, using multiple platforms, gamit nga po ng multiple platforms ng mga professors, nagkakaroon po ng struggle yung student sa paggamit because not all student po mayroong good specs ng phone. Lastly po is yung multiple learning platform. Dito po yung slow progress on doing taskwork, unproductive, confusing interface, inconsistency. So, ayan po yung mga factors na nagkakos. Then next po is yung data flow diagram. Yung context level. So, we use this po para ma-visualize po yung input and output ng data user. Output ng data, user to system or system to users. Dito po sa context level 1, dalawa po yung entity po namin which is yung the professors and students. Sila po yung user ng system. Pag yung arrow po papunta sa system, ayun po yung ini-input ng user. Pag yung arrow naman po is mula sa system, papunta sa users, yun po yung output ng system na makikita sa users. Sa professors po, nag-i-input po siya or nag-upload or create siya ng activity sa system. Then yung output na po yun sa system, meron silang mga task na gagawin or sasagutan ng student. Yung input po ng student is yung mga sagot niya sa mga task. Bali, mag-output po yun sa professors. Then next po is the level 0. Almost the same lang po siya sa context level. Mas bin-breakdown lang po dito at mas pinakita yung mga pinagdadaanan ng data. Bago makapunta sa students yung in-upload po ng professors, dadaan muna siya or mas save muna sa database. Sa level 1 naman po, mas bin-breakdown po yung functions mula sa level 0 na naka-indicate sa numbering. Ito pong 2.1 question type galing po sa 2.0 making quiz ng level 0. Then yung 3.1 pre-evaluation galing naman po sa 3.0 given task ng level 0. Then next is po yung the functional decompositions of PLMar learning management system. Yung first po na makikita nyo pagka-open ng app is yung registration, student, or professor's login. If wala pong account, you need to register muna to proceed sa student or employee login. Then if yung user po is student, mapupunta po siya sa student dashboard. Yung first po na i-discuss ko is yung sa student. After niya pong mag-login, po-proceed po siya sa student dashboard. Then under po nun, may 4 po na options sa side menu, which is yung account, calendar, add course, and courses. Then under ng account is edit profile. Then sa add course naman po is yung enter code. Then sa courses, under niya po is course dashboard. Sa course dashboards, meron pong 6 na options, which is yung units, message, quiz, exam, activities, assignment, grades, class list. Then under ng units, andun po yung unit material. Sa message naman po, nandun yung message box and video meetings. Next po yung employee user. After mag-login, pagpo-proceed siya sa employee dashboard. Then meron pong 4 rin ng options dun sa side menu, which is yung course dashboard, create course, calendar, and account. Then under ng course, may 6 rin pong options, which is yung units, message, quiz, exam, and activities, assignments, grades, and course informations. Yung mga under po nun, nandyan na po sa screen. Next po is entity relationship diagram. Yung mga nasa color blue po, yung po yung mga entity po namin, which is yung class, employee, module, course, message, answer, test, and student. Sa class table po, nakakonect si course ID, employee IDs, and student sa student table. Hindi sila magkakaroon ng relationship kung walang employee, student, and course. Sa module table naman po and yung relationship nila, sa module table and relationship po nila, walang mabubuo ng module kung walang employee. Kaya meron pong employee ID sa module because yung employee po yung gumagawa ng module, same as sa course. If walang employee, hindi po magkakaroon ng course since yung professors po yung magka-create ng course and so on lang po. Then, next is po yung infograph. Dito po sa infograph ng PLMar Learning Management System, yung first step po is the registration. Yung student and professors need to create an account para mag-proceed sa login. Una ko i-discuss po yung sa student. So, yung step 2 po, after mag-login ng student, mapupunta po siya sa student dashboard. Then, after nun, the 3.1. After po sa student dashboard, meron po ulit 4 na options, which is the 3.1 student course dashboard, 3.2 calendar, 3.3 enter course code. Yung student po need mag-enter ng code para makapag-join ng courses. Then, 3.4 student account. Sa 3.1 naman po, yung student course dashboard, meron pong 6 na options po dun para rin sa students. 3.1.1, the units. Dito po yung student, pwede nyo ma-view yung mga units. Then, next is 3.1.2, the class list. And next is 3.1.3, the message. Pwede makipag-communicate sa mga classmates or professors. And under po nun is 3.13.3.1, video conference. Yan po yung video meeting. Then next is 3.1.4 and 3.1.5, the activity assignment and quiz exam. Dito po, mag-take ng test or exam yung mga students. Then lastly, the 3.1.6, the grades. Pwede mo view po ng students yung grades nila. Then next po yung professor's login. After mag-login, halos same lang po, mapunta siya sa professor's dashboard. Step. Then 3.1, professor's course board. 3.2, calendar. 3.3, create course. Valid. Dito naman po, yung professors po mag-create ng code for the students. Then 3.4, the professor's account. After that is yung 3.1.1, the units. Yung professors naman po dito yung nag-a-upload ng materials. Then 3.1.2, pwede pong i-edit ng professors yung class list. Then 3.1.3, same as and communicate with other professors or students. Then 3.1.3.1, the video meeting po. Then last, 3.1.4 and 3.1.5, the activities, assignments, and quiz exam. Dito po yung professors po yung nag-create ng test. Then lastly, the 3.1.6, dito yung professors po can edit or post the grades of their students po. The next po is yung list of modules and description. Po yung registrations module, meron 2 form po for students and employee na kailangan nilang i-fill up to create an account. Sa login module naman po, dito bine-verify yung user if meron na existing account and also ma-determine if yung users po if student or employee siya. Next is the student course module. Dito makikita ng student yung mga list of courses, unit materials, message, and attending video meetings, also answering exam activities assignment, and pwede rin ma-view yung scores. Sa add course module, dito yung student need to enter code para makapag-join ng courses. Sa student calendar module, makikita dito yung deadline, schedule ng mga activities. Student account module, makikita dito yung profile and pwedeng i-edit yung informations nila. Sa employee courses module, sila yung mga nag-handle and nagpo-post or upload ng mga unit material, video meetings, creating quiz exam activities assignment, checking or recording grades, and edit class info. Sa create course module, yung employee po mag-create ng class code para makapag-join yung mga student. And employee calendar module, ito makikita yung mga posted activities and schedule po and video meeting na hinahandle niya po na courses. Lastly, the employee account module. Dito makikita yung mga profile and information po na pwedeng i-edit ng professors. So, next po is yung prototype and description. Ito po yung landing page. Then, next is registration. Ito po yung registration type, student registration. Then, next is the student login and student dashboard. Next is the student course, the student units, student message, and student video meeting, student quiz exam and student activities assignment, student grades and student list, add course and student calendar, student account, professor's dashboard and professor's course, create course and professor's message, professor's video meeting and professor's quiz exam, professor's activities assignment and professor's grade, professor's calendar and professor's account. And ayan po yung mga UI design po. Then sa appendices, ito po, yung mga links, kinuhaan po namin. Then ito po yung codes na ginawa po. Then, yung ayan po yung project management documentation po. Screenshot ng Gantt chart and project timeline. Then, ito po yung curriculum vitae. Kay Alonzo, Cruz, Guzman, Edisan, and Eusebio. That's all po.
So for the last part of our presentation, I will be demonstrating our system. So out of 10 modules, 6 modules are functional. So these 6 modules are the registration, the login, student course, where you can see the courses, the list of courses, and the functions that the students can use, the add course, where the students can join the classes, the employee courses, where the employee or the professors can see the functions or the functionalities that they can use in manipulating the classes, and the create course, where the professors can create the classes. So the 4 remaining modules are currently in static web pages. So these are the calendars, which are all in display only, the profile editing, the video conferencing, and the exam and quiz maker or builder. So first, we are going to register an employee account. So we have successfully registered an employee account. So in login, we put the username and the password. So here you can see, this is the employee dashboard. It is displayed that there are no courses created yet. So in this dashboard, the courses or the classes created by the employee should be displayed. So here in the sidebar, there are 3 functions or 3 links. So these are the create courses, the courses, or there should be the list of courses here, and the calendar. So the calendar is only a static calendar which shows the current date. So to show the create a course, we should create a class. So it is prompted that course is created. So we can see that there is a course that is currently created. So we can see that the course created is displayed in the dashboard. So if you click on the course, you will see all the functions that can be used by the professor in the class. Here you can see the course code to distribute to the students so that the students can join the class, the create or add module, so we can, or the professor can upload the modules in the class, create quiz or exam, post an announcement or send a message, and view class list. So in the course code, you should take note of the course code so that you can share it to your class. So since this is a non-functioning button, we will just take note of it. So we can see here the create and add module, so we can test it. Here, you should choose a file from your device that should be uploaded in the class. So we have a sample document here. We will put the name of the module, sample module 1, the file name that should be displayed in the class. So let's say it is the guide 1. And then when we click the upload file, it will display one file uploaded. So this part, the students can now see, or the students who are going to join the class will see that there is an uploaded file already. So if we go to the course again, or course dashboard, we should post, or we can post an announcement or send a message to any of the students who will be joining the class. So let's say welcome. So after that, we will be going to a student account. So I have already made a new student account. So since it is a new account, we will be going to add a class. So we will join the class that is created recently. So we can see here that the enrollment successfully and the class is already displayed in the student dashboard. So here in the side menu, we already see the class we have joined, and also the calendar here is only static, just displays the current date. So if you click on the course, you can see here the functionalities or the functions that a student can use inside that class. There are modules, message, quizzes, exams, activities, assignments, students' grades, and the professor name. Here, only 4 of the 7 functions are functional. So one of these is the professor's name. In the modules, the professor had uploaded recently a module. So if you click on it, you can download the module. So next is the message. So we can see here that the professor has a message for us. And in the quizzes, exams, and activities assignment, this is still in static web page. So this is the sample view if there are quizzes or exams and activities and assignments. So the students is going to display the class list. So only one student have joined the class. And the grades will display if an activity or an assignment had been graded, and it will show the score of your activity or assignment. So going back to the employee account, in the course dashboard, if you click on the view class list, you can see here who enrolled the class. So that sums up the demonstration of our system. Thank you very much.